Eventually, society's like, screw this, we're going to send these men off to die in war in order to maintain social stability. So you destroy your own society by killing off the young. But that's the only path forward if you don't allow the proper transfer of power from the old to the young. Society will die out. And this is something that every major industrial economy faces today. Not just Japan, but China, United States, and Australia, Europe, everyone. I think that in my analysis, only Japan would have the cultural resilience to resolve this issue. Because the trick for the future is not to actually win wars. You can't do that nowadays with nuclear weapons. The trick is to maintain cultural cohesion and vitality. That means the old have to surrender power to the young. Only in Japan, I think, could that happen? I'm not saying it will happen. I'm saying, like, of all these societies that I see, I think only Japan could pull this off. And if Japan pulls this off, then I can see Japan becoming the superpower of East Asia.